Did the descale light come on the Keurig K-Ice? Today, I'm going to show you how to cheaply and effectively descale your Keurig K-Ice coffee maker in 5 easy steps using citric acid. Step 1. Prepare the citric acid solution. Grab a large bowl that can hold up to 32 ounces of water. Go ahead and pour the water in up to the 32 ounce mark. Grab yourself a tablespoon so you can measure out the citric acid. We need 2 tablespoons to make this solution. I bought this whole bag on Amazon for about $25. There's 378 tablespoons in each bag, so the solution is about roughly 13 cents to make. I put the link to it in the description if you're interested. Stir until the solution is dissolved and the solution is ready. Completely empty the water tank before we pour in our solution. Now that it's empty, let's go ahead and pour in the citric acid solution. Place the tank back on the Keurig and let's get ready for some descaling fun. Step 2. Prepare the Keurig and make sure no K-Cup pods are inserted. Place a large mug on the drip tray and make sure the machine is completely off. Step 3. Activate descale mode. With it plugged in and powered off, press and hold the 8 ounce and 12 ounce buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. If you did this correctly, both the descale light and the 12 ounce light will be blinking. You are now in descale mode. Once they start flashing, press the 12 ounce button to initiate the descale process. The machine will now dispense the citric acid solution into the mug. Once the brew cycle is complete, discard the contents from the mug and into the sink. Place the mug back on the drip tray because we need to keep repeating the process until it says add water. As we wrap up dispensing the citric acid solution, let's see if the add water light comes on. And it did. It only took 2 times. And the final and most critical step, we need to rinse the Keurig. We'll start by emptying and rinsing the water tank. This will ensure all the citric acid residue is removed. Now, go ahead and fill the water tank up to the max fill line. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. Place the tank back on the Keurig. Let's get ready. Also, place the mug back on the drip tray. When the buttons start flashing, press the 12 ounce button to start the rinsing process. If this video has been helpful, consider tapping that like button. Once the brew is complete, discard the contents of the mug. We will need to repeat the rinsing process at least 2 to 3 more times or until the descale notification turns off. It did not turn off, so I need to do it again. You must keep doing the process until the descale notification turns off. Let's hope that we're all done after the 3rd rinse. Come on, Keurig, I believe in you. And finally, we're done. The descale light is off. All that remains is fill the water tank so you can make more coffee. Install the lid and the drip tray. A little love tap for the love of coffee. There you have it, a cheap, effective way using citric acid to descale your Keurig. Consider watching another video and I'll see you on the next one.